The next interpreter, Honorable Jean Onchaco Reyes from
Marinduque.
Marinduque.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chairman. I promise it's only 1 minute. Good afternoon, Secretary June, and to the DOTC family, the most competent and credible and really truly efficient department in the Philippine government. Congratulations. Palakpakan po ninyo ang inyong mga sarili. Yes po, as we speak, the provincial governor, the vice governor of Marinduque, and members of the majority of the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan are outside Andaya Hall. And I know I spoke to you 2 weeks ago to follow up on the speedy implementation of the Marinduque Airport, because since mid-May, since right after elections, it's been closed. So Belaroca texts me every day, sometimes twice a day, threatening to shut down because they cannot accept any large tourist groups. So, and also several tourist resorts are also facing shutdown because of the delay in the implementation of the contract awarded, I believe, in February of 2013. That's all, Mr. Chairman. I promised you that's less than 60 seconds. Thank you po. And more power to you, DOTC.
Thank you. I think TRB Executive Director will be in a better position to answer that. Your Honor, for 2013, probably that was a project there's a 30 million fund. I'll just make sure that the awarded contract should be implemented soonest.
Yes, thank you, sir. And they can hear your voice, so I'm sure the Marinduqueños are out there. You heard it from the Secretary. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
Edmond, kindly make sure that the Marinduqueans get to hear our answers.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, colleagues. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Reyes.